Hello, my name is William Andrioli, President of Youngevity. Just over 20 years ago, I was sitting right where you are today, looking for something more income, more time freedom, more out of life. What I found was an industry that would not only bring me all these things, but also give thousands of other people just like me the same opportunity. But what I didn't know then was that I was starting a journey that would ultimately lead me to the greatest company and the greatest income opportunity of the 21st century. What I didn't know then was that a pioneering crusader and physician, Dr. Joel Wallach, had already been working for decades on the 90 for Life story, a story that is changing hundreds of thousands of lives all around the globe. Over the next few minutes, we're going to share the highlights of this phenomenal story, along with a way for you to profit by helping other people just like you save money, get healthy, and create wealth. If you're even a little like the hundreds of thousands of other people that have aligned with us, you're going to be excited, but you'll wonder if you have what it takes to succeed. And I'm here to tell you that you most definitely do. We have put an entire system in place to give you all the tools and support that you need to reach your goals, no matter how big or small. If you're looking for part-time income, we've got it. If you're looking for full-time income, we've got it. Or if you're looking to make the income of your dreams, we've got it. You see, it's time to stop listening to the bad news, the doubting Thomases and the naysayers. Contrary to popular belief, now is the best time to enhance both your health and your wealth. And this is the company that can do just that. I want to thank you for taking a closer look, and let me be the first to welcome you to Youngevity.
Hi, I'm Steve Schultz, and welcome to Youngevity. I've been helping people improve their financial lives for over 22 years. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share some unique and amazing information with you. 90 for Life has a 40-year history, but has never been fresher and more exciting than it is today. We've taken the most compelling story in health and nutrition and combined it with the most compelling story in business, giving you the opportunity of a lifetime. With the brightest minds in the industry, we've created a simple system making it possible for everyone to succeed. Hundreds of thousands of others have already taken advantage of what we have to offer, and we think you should too. You see, to create true wealth, you need to position yourself in front of a trend. The baby boom generation has been trend-setting for the past 60 years. From packaged baby food and microwave ovens to the dot-com boom and bust, they have reshaped the past 60 years with tremendous success and epic failure. As the baby boomers approach retirement age, they've become increasingly obsessed with looking good, feeling good, and living longer, as we all have. So much so that Americans spent over $70 billion on health and wellness last year alone, more than any other nation on earth. Health awareness is all around us. Terms like organic, calcium enriched, heart healthy, and gluten-free are commonplace. But we're also in the middle of a pharmaceutical boom, with millions of doctors' patients in search of the magic pill to cure what ails them. Is it working? Well, here are some disturbing facts. As a nation, we are 60th in overall life expectancy, 41st in infant mortality rate, and only 1 in 10,000 Americans expect to live to the age of 100. Now think about that. We are the greatest country in the world, yet there are 59 other countries out there whose people live longer than we do. There are 40 other countries where you have a better chance of giving birth to a live baby. Those are staggering numbers. Autism is up from 1 in 10,000 to 1 in 88. Over 100 million Americans are either diabetic or pre-diabetic, and we are the most obese nation in the world. What most of us aren't aware of is that there is a better way, and some of the brightest scientific minds have already been working on a solution. According to two-time Nobel Prize recipient Dr. Linus Pauling, you can trace every disease and every ailment to a mineral deficiency. In 1936, a report by the U.S. Senate declared that crop-bearing soils in the U.S. are becoming increasingly mineral deficient. Now, decades later, The 40-year in the making story of 90 for Life is taking the world by storm and changing thousands of lives every day. Not only is Dr. Joel Wallach the founder of Youngevity, he is also an author and a scientist. Over 75 published works and over 150 million copies of his landmark lecture, Dead Doctors Don't Lie, in circulation. Growing up on a farm exposed him to the nutritional needs of animals, and he became a veterinarian working directly with the likes of Marlin Perkins of Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. His early research helped eliminate over 900 diseases in animals. In fact, his research is compiled in a book called Diseases of Exotic Animals, which resides in the Smithsonian Institution as a national treasure. Well, his discoveries stunned the medical research community and inspired him to also become a naturopathic physician so that he could bring his knowledge to people as well. Dr. Wallach says it's not just what you eat that kills you, it's what you don't eat. You see, the key to health is giving your body the 90 essential nutrients it needs. Well, already knowing that our food is nutritionally deficient, the burning question is, where do we get these 90 essential nutrients? Knowing that not all supplements are created equal, Dr. Wallach scoured the globe in search of the best possible sources for all 90 essential nutrients and put it all into the most simple to take and easy to absorb package that we call the Healthy Start Pack. With the Healthy Start Pack, you'll get the 90 essential nutrients that you need every day to live a healthier life. We call this 90 for Life. Even if you consider yourself healthy, you still need 90 for Life to make sure that you're getting the proper nutrition on a daily basis. Now, you can think of 90 for Life as the center of a flower. You see, we have many other helpful products that make up the petals of this flower. Now, these petals represent products that address health concerns that you may have, such as blood sugar instability, joint pain and stiffness, digestive problems, among others. Your individual needs will determine what petals you add to your nutritional plan, if any. Does 90 for Life work? Well, just ask Youngevity product customers like NBA All-Star Theo Ratliff.
It's a great product. I continue to use it every single day. It's been the pillar of me being able to continue to play for this long.
It has been amazing. I'm working on getting off of my anti-reflux medication, and I am also spreading that information to my family.
I had pain so bad that I couldn't walk more than 200 yards. After taking this product, I am now walking 3 to 5 miles a day with no pain, no cramps.
1 month and 4 days after I got on Dr. Wallach's product, and all I was on was the Healthy Start and Glucogel for my knee. That's all I was taking. I had another eye appointment. I went in, and when the doctor examined me, it blew him away, and he wanted to know what in the world I was doing. When he finished, he said, "Everything in your eyes is better." And he says, "What kind of vitamins are you taking?" And I said, "Well, I'm taking this Youngevity."
My daughter is out of the wheelchair and has a bright look on the future, is starting to walk.
There was something wrong and I didn't know what it was, and I went through doctors and everything. I listened to the CDs. I tried it out, and 20 days into the protocol, I was 95% better. I haven't felt this good for years and years.
Since I started taking the products 5 or 6 months ago, it has truly changed my life. I have been able to do things that I haven't been able to do in 15, 20 years.
Anytime you can help someone to live longer, younger, that is amazing, because there is no price tag you can put to that.
Dr. Wallach's message is being spread all over the world through Youngevity independent marketing directors. Youngevity is a publicly traded global marketing company that was founded in 1997 with world headquarters in San Diego and Boston. You see, they don't spend any money in advertising. They take all of the money that they would normally spend in advertising and they give it back to you in the form of commissions. And the information that I'm sharing with you today has already created million-dollar earners. And you definitely want to be a part of our million-dollar earners club. Now, in addition to the 90 for Life program, we've also put the nutrition in some unlikely places. Let me ask you this. How many of you drank coffee today? Do you realize that coffee is the second most consumed beverage in the world, second only to water? What if you could drink coffee, lose weight, and get good nutrition all in one cup? How many of you love chocolate? What if you could eat healthy chocolate? How about energy drinks? What if you could consume an energy drink that was actually good for you? How many of you want to lose some weight? Or maybe you've lost some weight and you're struggling to keep it off. Well, we have a weight management system that not only works, but it's good for you. See, what we've done is we've taken the nutrition and we've put it in products that people are using every single day. These products are doctor endorsed, made of the highest quality, and they are exclusive to Youngevity. Now, how do we take all of this and turn it into an income stream? We need to spread Dr. Wallach's 90 for Life message, and we need an army to do it. You can earn an income and show people how to live a healthier lifestyle with 90 for Life right now. There are 3 ways to get started to earn an income and get your products for free. For only $10, you can become an independent marketing director, you buy the products wholesale, and you can earn a residual income by referring others. Or you can get started with our basic product pack for only $99.95. Now this is going to save you the $10, and you're really going to get a jump start in building your business because you get a sample of some of our most popular products. However, we highly recommend that you get started with one of our CEO product packs for only $399.95. Now with the CEO product packs, not only will you receive a 30-day supply of some of the best nutritional products on the market today, but you're going to get everything that you need to build a successful business, including state-of-the-art websites, back office support, exclusive CEO training, customer service support, and much more. You see, the choice is yours. You can be like everyone else and you can continue to spend money in the health and wellness industry. Or you can start making money from this growing industry. 2 of the largest trends today include health and wellness and home-based business. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to share this with the people that you know. There is no way you can keep this a secret. Think about it. Who doesn't want to feel better? You see, Youngevity has the best upfront compensation in the industry, such as $100 fast start bonuses, 30% quick start bonuses, and leadership coding bonuses of up to $190. As a CEO, you qualify for our coding bonuses. With these coding bonuses, it's simple. Position determines income. See, you're not joining Youngevity just to make money off your own efforts. You're here to leverage the efforts of others as well. You can receive bonuses up to $190 on every new person that joins your team with a CEO product package. Now, these bonuses are paid weekly, and there are no limits to how much money you can make. Let's say that you promoted yourself to Senior Executive Marketing Director and 10 people fell into your organization. That's $1,000. What if 100 came in this month? Well, that's an extra $10,000. What if 1,000 new people came in from others on your team over the next few months? That's an extra $100,000. And that's just the upfront money. Let's take a closer look at our industry-leading residual compensation. If you brought 4 independent marketing directors in and taught them to do the same through 6 levels, you would have over 5,400 people in your group. Now, if you and your friends were spending just $150 in bonus volume on items they already purchase elsewhere, and I'm talking about coffee, chocolate, weight loss, nutrition, household items. We're not asking anybody to spend any additional money. You would be earning over $61,000 per month. That is life-changing. And our compensation plan pays out 2 more levels. Now, can you go get more than 4 people? Of course you can. You can bring in as many people as you want. I just wanted to give you the example of how much money you could make if you just did bring in 4. But what if you started another group of 4, or another group of 4, or another group of 4? This income opportunity is truly unlimited. We want you to drive a new car on us. See, we have the easiest to achieve car bonus program in the industry. You can earn a car bonus between $300 and $1,000 a month, and you can be part of the Silver Mercedes Club. Now think about this. It's great to be able to drive a new Mercedes, but it's even better when somebody else is making the payments. We also have a dream car bonus program. Think about this. How would you like to receive the keys and the title to your very own dream car. Youngevity wants to give you the keys and the title to a completely paid for brand new Corvette or Ferrari for simply building a large organization and helping others get started doing the same. Once again, when you get started with the CEO product pack, you qualify for the coding bonuses, the car bonus, the global revenue sharing bonus, and the stock options rewards program. Don't miss this. These bonuses are going to be paid to someone. That somebody needs to be you. Our recognition program is second to none. We have our own video production team that highlights our members on a weekly basis. We have newsletters, VIP dream vacations, and Chairman Club championship rings. When you get started, you're going to receive all the tools and incentives to explode your opportunity. We're going to teach you how to build a successful team. Also included are marketing tools such as conference calls, webinars, and promotional websites. In other words, everything you need is taken care of, including the greatest marketing tools in the industry. At Youngevity, you never have to become the expert in our products, services, or income opportunity. We have the tools that leverage the experts and decades of experience with our industry. Simply lend a CD, DVD, or other marketing material to other people and let the system do the work for you. We also have something that you can give away for free called 90 for Life savings cards. Now, these cards have a dual purpose. Number one, saving people up to 85% on their prescriptions at over 60,000 locations and introducing everyone to the 90 for Life opportunity. Youngevity will pay you up to 50 cents each time that your card is used. You simply hand out the free 90 for Life savings cards, get paid, and introduce people to a healthier way of life. All right, I want you to think about this. You are in the right place at the right time. No other company has what we have. We have the best products, the best compensation, the best story, the best message, the best testimonials. We are changing lives all over the world. And now that you know this information, you need to share it with others. Anyone can do this. The real question is, will you? Get back together with the person who invited you to view this presentation and tell them that you are ready to start saving money, getting healthy, and creating wealth with 90 for Life.
There's lots of other products on the market. There's lots of other business opportunities on the market. None of them offer the solutions that we do. So why Youngevity? Because it works. It works, and it's unstoppable.
It changes people's lives, and I mean, who could want more? Especially when it's your family and your loved ones that you're seeing regain their life and health.
Now we have the ability, and we're being equipped to help other families that they no longer have to worry about deficiencies in their family. I love 90 for Life.
It doesn't get any better. This is where we need to be, and this is what America needs. And so if you're thinking that maybe I want more out of life, or maybe there are people around me who need more out of life, we invite you to join us on this crusade.
We can show anybody how to have time, more money, and better health.
We have time freedom, financial freedom, and health freedom because of this company.
I believe it is the greatest opportunity anyone will ever have to achieve true financial independence.
We're going to a whole nother level. We're getting people healthy and wealthy at the same time. What good is your health if you have no wealth, and what good is your wealth if you have no health?
How can you not do it as a business when somebody looks at you? I mean, I've had several people come up to me and say, what are you doing differently? I mean, you look so different, you look so vibrant.
When I was introduced to Youngevity, I just felt like this is a company that we could really get involved in, invest our time and energy, and knowing that they were going to kind of be the protectors of the dream. And with being a 15-year-old debt-free publicly traded company, it just seemed like it made a lot of sense.
I've seen the Youngevity change so many people's lives in such a great way, such an impactful way.
Youngevity is saving people money, getting people healthy, and creating wealth.